Hey guys, so listen, this couldn't be any better. I made some changes here for on base on index HTML. I made a video where I'm going through this portfolio, this freelancer portfolio template, and I changed some text here and there just for those of you that are not so familiar with HTML and especially with Bootstrap templates. But I'm not happy with this video. I feel like I'm a little bit all over the place and I need to make it a little bit more structured. So I want to reverse those changes. And what helps me do it is Git. So you can see, for example, here, title is Mark's portfolio. It was something else before. And if I scroll all the way down, here we have a footer and it says copyright super duper Mark's company. So these were the changes that I did before, and there are many other changes here. And the same with the index HTML file. So what's going to happen? How can I go back and reverse those changes? Let's do git log and see where are we now. So we are here. Change text on Bootstrap template. That's our head on master, and these are our that's our history. So I'm gonna go back to this point, which is that head here. That's the ID of this commit. So this is how we kind of load the game. This is how we go back to this snapshot. I'm gonna copy this text and type git checkout and just paste this. And what we have here is blah, blah, blah. Head is now at that point. So it gives you a couple of first, 7 characters of this ID. And it says, okay, you are at that point now. So if I go back to my base HTML and refresh them, so I'm going to just open base. You can see now, instead of Mark's portfolio, it says freelancer start Bootstrap theme. So it reversed all the changes that I did here, and I checked this one here as well, copyright your website 2020. So the changes were reversed. I can get back and do the video again, and that's why I'm using Git from just the beginning. That's why I think it's a good idea to use Git even if you're working alone. It's not just collaboration, it's also version control. It's also keeping track of the changes. And if you're not happy with some changes and you know that you did the commit, it's like a milestone somewhere that you are happy to go back to, then you can just check out there. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in the next video where I'm going to do a proper video of text replacement.